How's it going? Conor here from Train Like a Warrior, and on today's video we have a 10-minute full body high intensity fat burning workout that you can perform absolutely anywhere with no gym and no equipment needed. Literally all you need is a very small space and we're going to get a very intense fat burning workout in, okay? So this workout is going to consist of 5 different full body, bodyweight only high intensity exercises that you can perform with no equipment needed. We're going to perform each exercise for 40 seconds, take a 20-second rest, and once we complete all 5 exercises, we're going to go ahead and repeat another round, and that right there will be our 10-minute full body fat burning workout complete. Before I set the timer, I'm going to showcase the first exercise, which is a jump squat into a jump and lunge. So what I want you to do, one jump squat, straight into a jump and lunge, okay? Jump squat, straight into a jump and lunge. And that's going to be your first exercise, okay? So 10-second countdown begins now. Let's do it. So jump squat and then jump lunge. Going in 3, 2, 1. Let's bring the intensity. Jump squat, jump lunge. If it's too difficult, you can perform without the jump. This is going to be intense. But it's going to be very quick, extremely effective. "15 seconds remaining. "5 seconds. Right, what a way to kick it off. Next one is a push-up with 5 mountain climbers. You're doing 1 push-up and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then repeat. You can also perform that on your knees. Push up on your knees and get up and perform your mountain climbers. Okay, here we go. 1 push-up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and repeat. Set, keep it going. 1 push up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. "10 seconds remaining. Good work. Okay, the next one is heels to heaven. So you're lying back, legs out straight, kicking right up in the air like that. Bring your hips up off the ground. Woo! This is intense. We're only a few minutes in. Here we go. Kicking up, hips up high. "20 seconds remaining. Brilliant. Right. Next one is low squat walks, okay? So you're staying low to the ground and you're just walking side to side like that, keeping all the tension on your hamstrings, your glutes. Right, here we go. Staying low to the ground and you're just walking. Very effective workout here already. "20 seconds on the clock. Here we go. Legs are burning. "10 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Okay, next one is plank get-ups. In your plank position, all I want you to do is to get up and down like that. Okay, that's the next one. It's the last exercise of the round, and then we have another round to do. Legs are burning. Right, plank get-ups. Up and back down again. Keep it going, we're halfway there. If you can, and you want to push yourself, explode up. 10 seconds. 5 on the clock. Okay, this is it, round number 2, jump squat into jumping lunge. Just keep the intensity. Alright, here we go. Jump squat, jumping lunge. Good combination. Legs are burning after those low squats. "20 seconds remaining. Try getting another rep in. Okay, push up with 5 mountain climbers. This is intense. Okay, here we go. 1 push up, 5 mountain climbers. Remember, you can perform your push up on your knees like this, and then just get up and do your mountain climbers. Just try to keep the momentum going. We're nearly there. Ten seconds. Gates to heaven is next. Exercise number 8. This is an extremely effective fat burning workout. If you have this alongside your good solid nutritional plan and keep on pushing forward with these workouts, you're going to see the results. Kicking right up, hips coming off the ground, up high. "20 seconds. Okay, back into the low squat walks. This is intense, extremely effective. Keep up the hard work, we're nearly there. Exercise number 9 out of 10. Let's do it. Come on. Stand low. Try to keep as low down to the ground as you can. Keep your back upright and always look in front. 30 seconds remaining. 10 seconds, legs are burning. 5 seconds on the clock. Okay, plank get ups is the last exercise. That burns the legs. Okay, this is it. 5 seconds remaining. Let's do this. Finish line. Whew, here we go. Plank get ups. Get up and down as quickly as you can. Twenty seconds remaining. Keep it going. Five seconds. Come on. There it is, team. There's your 10-minute high intensity full body fat burning workout complete. Now don't be afraid to go ahead and repeat another round or even another 2 rounds if you really want to push yourself, or even combine this workout with any of the other workouts here on the channel. But team, brilliant work. That right there is not easy, but extremely intense and very effective. And if you are enjoying this home workout series in which you and I are working out together with no gym, no equipment needed, all you need is a very small space. Please be sure to leave a thumbs up. Also be sure to click on that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you never miss any of these upcoming videos. It really helps me out to support the channel and to keep it growing. And also don't be afraid to share these workouts with your mates. Get them in on it and let's keep on pushing forward together. But once again, thanks so much for the incredible support. Have a good day and I'll see you in the next one.